The Obie and Little Sean Morning Show. What it is with Esty. What it is.
Power 95.3.
You ready for some magic right here?
Oh, you're
Esty's
ready.
got your gossip
Oh, you're
fresh off
ready.
of the weekend.
All right, sorry. I had too much coffee and a bit of a 5 energy. Okay, what it is with Ludacris teaming up with NFL quarterback for the Jets, Tim Tebow, and it has to do with music. Kind of weird. He's a football player. Ludacris has his own custom headphone line. It's called Soul. Now, he's bringing Tim Tebow into the project because Luda's company, they're producing and marketing the new line. Now, this is all for people that are very active. Now, Tim Tebow says that the reason these headphones are very different from Beats by Dr. Dre or 50 Cent's headphone line is because Luda's are developed specifically for athletes and the toughness of training. So many headphones can feel good and they sound great, but when you're warming up, they fall off, and that is a big distraction. So Tim Tebow says that he has come up with this awesome idea, and he really appreciates Luda for it, so he is jumping on the train. And he'll be endorsing the product.
I think it's a fantastic niche for Ludacris to get into because already, headphones, they're out there like crazy.
But everybody's doing the headphone thing.
I know.
It's not different.
But to do some, I can only imagine that they probably hook onto your ear a little bit better so this way you can do rigorous activity and they don't fall out.
Well, I know I'm a runner, or, I like to run here a few miles here and there. And when my sweat starts dripping from my hair, that's when my earbuds get kind of moist and wet, then they slip out. And I am getting distracted. So imagine something that, forgets about the sweat. Doesn't matter about how much you're jumping or flipping or whatever.
You got
Stay
sweaty
secure.
ears. You got sweaty ears.
I will tell you this, man. Ears that perspire, that is sexy.
All right, guys. I'm just saying, I run, my head perspires, and it drifts,
And you
and
got
my
sweaty-ass
earbuds
ears.
fall off.
We heard.
No, I'm just saying. Anyway, so I think it's really cool. Looking forward to the headphones from Ludacris.
I thought Ludacris would have been the last person that Tim Tebow would have hooked up with. I thought he would have hooked up with like a Christian rapper first, not nobody who's like, move, bitch.
Aw, maybe he's disregarding that. He's just like, let me focus on the product. Let me focus on the product.
Yeah, move, devil.
What it is with President Barack Obama, who was sworn in yesterday for his second term. Yesterday, it was his very private, brief, intimate presentation at the White House. It was a ceremony, and what I love too is that he had a Bible, and he had his left hand on the Bible, and he was saying his oath. And the Bible, I found out, actually belonged to Michelle Obama's grandmother, so I thought that was really cool. They incorporated deeper roots of their family into this, when he was being sworn in. Now, yesterday, it was a Sunday. This was when he was officially sworn in, but today is when we see the festivities. So as 11:30 today Eastern, so our time, we get to see Beyonce, Kelly Clarkson performing, all in honor of President Barack Obama. So we'll see Beyonce. We'll get to hear her doing the national anthem.
Isn't they
and
all
a lot of
Beyonce
cool
out? Like,
stuff.
she does everything for them.
Well,
Like,
Jay and Beyonce are really close with the First Lady and Obama.
damn, she don't leave no room for any other artist to go in there.
I
and
know,
no
right?
president, though.
I'll say this again, man. I really think Beyonce and the president got a little something going on.
Shut up. Why
Like
do you think it's so gross?
Because JFK back in the day with Marilyn Monroe, they had some things
You
going
should
on.
work for the National Enquirer. Like, top story news, Blue Ivy is
Yeah,
really
why did you-
Obama's daughter.
Oh my God, why are you guys
Oh, man.
taking it there? This is our
Yeah.
president.
You know where you
Anyways,
heard it first.
All right, guys, so remember, as 11:30 a.m. today, we get to see the performances all in honor of President Barack Obama by Beyonce, Kelly Clarkson.
Yay, they're throwing a party for him.
Yeah, it's really cool. I'm excited. We'll be airing it at every single station, and we'll check it out. That's what it is. Every 50 after with the Obie and Little Sean Show.